Are you one of the many people who struggle with flirting because you are terrified of being rejected? I got news for you. You are not alone. Many people fear rejection when it comes to expressing their romantic interest. In this video, I'll provide you with 20 of the most subtle flirting tips, how to use them and why they work so well. This information will empower you and will help you to feel more confident in your game and less afraid of rejection. These tips are designed to help you to express your interest in a very subtle and non-threatening manner. It will also make you feel more comfortable and confident as you ease into your game. So if you're ready to take your flirting game to the next level, keep on watching to the end. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos on dating, relationship and success quotes. Number 1. Smile and make eye contact. How to use. When you talk to someone you like, give them a warm smile and make brief eye contact. Why it works. A friendly smile and eye contact show you're approachable and interested without being too forward. Number 2. Compliment something specific. How to use. Compliment something specific about the person, like their smile or a piece of clothing. Why it works. Specific compliments feel genuine and show you've noticed details, making the interaction more meaningful. Number 3. Listen and respond. How to use. Pay attention to what the person says and respond thoughtfully. Why it works. Listening shows you care, and responding thoughtfully makes the conversation more engaging. Number 4. Use light touches. How to use. Occasionally touch their arm lightly while talking, but keep it casual. Why it works. Subtle touches create a connection and show you're comfortable being close. Number 5. Find common interests. How to use. Discover shared hobbies or interests and discuss them. Why it works. Shared interests create a bond and give you more to talk about, making conversations enjoyable. Number 6. Playful teasing. How to use. Lightly tease them about something in a playful manner. Why it works. Playful teasing adds humor and creates a light-hearted atmosphere, making you more approachable. Number 7. Give genuine compliments. How to use. Compliment something about them that you genuinely appreciate. Why it works. Genuine compliments make the other person feel valued and boost their confidence. Number 8. Use open body language. How to use. Stand or sit with open and relaxed body language. Why it works. Open body language makes you seem more approachable and friendly. Number 9. Share a smile across the room. How to use. Smile at the person from across the room, then look away. Why it works. It's a subtle way to express interest without being too direct. Number 10. Engage in light teasing. How to use. Tease them about something in a light-hearted manner. Why it works. Light teasing can create a playful dynamic, making interactions more enjoyable. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. Number 11. Be supportive. How to use. Offer support or encouragement when they talk about their interests or goals. Why it works. Being supportive shows you care about their well-being and success. Number 12. Mimic their body language. How to use. Subtly mirror their gestures or body language. Why it works. Mimicking creates a sense of connection and makes the other person feel more comfortable. Number 13. Send positive signals. How to use. Use positive facial expressions and body language. Why it works. Positive signals create a welcoming atmosphere and convey a friendly attitude. Number 14. Express gratitude. How to use. Thank them sincerely for something, even a small gesture. Why it works. Expressing gratitude shows appreciation and creates a positive connection. Number 15. Be confident in your interactions. How to use. Speak with confidence, maintain good posture, and avoid fidgeting. Why it works. Confidence is attractive and makes you appear more self-assured. Number 16. Use humor. How to use. Share light-hearted jokes or funny stories. Why it works. Humor can break the ice and make the interaction enjoyable. Number 17. Ask open-ended questions. How to use. Instead of yes or no questions, ask questions that require more detailed answers. Why it works. Open-ended questions keep the conversation flowing and show genuine interest. Number 18. Be a good listener. How to use. Listen actively, nod, and respond to what they say. Why it works. Being a good listener makes the other person feel heard and valued. Number 19. Use positive body language. How to use. Smile, maintain eye contact, and avoid crossing your arms. Why it works. Positive body language conveys warmth and friendliness. Number 20. Share a genuine laugh. How to use. Laugh genuinely at something they say. Why it works. Laughter is contagious and creates a positive, enjoyable atmosphere. Now go get your game on.